So someone in the chat just said, if I'm in a trade, but I hold the NQ longs all day or close it. Today's FOMC, which is the Federal Open Market Committee, which is basically the Fed presidents coming together to vote if they're going to cut rates. We can go to the CME group website and actually see probabilities of where those rate cuts may come from or go to. And then, you know, those probabilities typically give us an accurate look at what's going to happen today. So what ends up happening is the news comes in at 2 o'clock of if they're going to cut the rates. We are predicting that they will cut the rates again, 25 basis points. 25 basis points is 0.25% from 4 to 3.75 or whatever it is, 25 basis points. And then at 2:30, 30 minutes after the news, everybody, that's when Jerome Powell comes on and speaks. This will be one of the last times we say that, though, because Daddy Powell is not going to have his job next year. So we will have a new Fed president next year who is mandatory from Trump, mandatory that he agrees. If Trump says, hey, James, if I'm going to give you the job, you got to cut rates for me every time, or I'm going to fire you. This may be one of the last times that Powell has the stage, but that's when you'll see the market shake. 2 o'clock, it might move a little bit. 2:30, it might move a lot more. So we would anticipate, I mean, from all of our experience, somewhere between 60 to 80% of the time on an FOMC day, which today is, the markets will range going into that news event.